sure it's a terrible, terrible strain on the Piazza family, and I can't offer my condolences to them enough, but I assure you that it's a strain on the Ems family too. I mean, you know, a lot of people's lives changed. One ended on that tragic night. It doesn't mean that there's criminal activity on Joey Ems' part, and it's I think the Ems family they're doing a great job in bearing up under the strain, as are the Piazzas.
As possible severance, is that something you would be looking for?
Yeah, I made that motion.
Yeah.
I'll make it again. If it's not granted at the preliminary hearing, and if my charges aren't dismissed, I'll make it yet again.
Right.
I'm just going to keep saying severance until somebody listens.
And the DA just told me, literally, I was asking her up there, and she said that the evidence is basically admissible against everybody, and she said that she doesn't think it'll happen, but...
I mean, the DA speaks in superlatives, and I respect her, and she's a worthy adversary, and she's doing her job, but it's not her fault. She can say what she wants, and I'll say what I want, but I'm just going to keep saying severance until maybe somebody severs me out of this thing. About one count, I should be kind of away from all this. Oh, on the events of this morning? We've been here, 3 days. It's a lot of charges. The DA is a passionate individual. I think the attorney who jumped up was probably the most senior attorney in terms of years at least. Just had enough. But these things happen. I mean, I think rather than focus on the 5 minutes of people screaming at each other, you have to look at the way that Judge Sinclair has conducted this proceeding, which is, I think we're now in probably the 25th or 26th hour of this, and he's just done a terrific job at keeping us cool, and that keeps us all cool.